Well, I'm set up in the new lab area, and I thought I'd give you an idea of some of the tech I've been working on here in the lab. These are my test rollers for the rolling road stuff, but you can see a little dark screw down inside there, and there's a piece of wire running across the bottom. And what I've tried to do is put power to these rollers because there are some folks itching to have powered rollers. Not sure exactly, but it made sense for me because of the diesel engines are powered through the drive wheels. So if I have the diesel wheel up here, I can run this in normal mode. So I thought, okay, let's take a shot at it and see what I can do. And so what I was showing here was trying to show was continuity to the track. So if I go down here and I put it on the track, move this up a little more, and then I touch the wheel, you see we have continuity to the wheel. So now the wheel is continuity to the track. Now what I want to see is, can I get it from here to the, in this case, the tender. Now this tender has the steel wheels on the this side, and the metal wheels are on this side. So, how is this going to work? It's not going to work. I have to come around the other way. No? Yes. So the steel wheels will be up, and these steel wheels will be down. And now these wheels are up on the roller. Yep. These steel wheels are up on the roller. These steel wheels are down on the track. And let's see. There may be continuity. I don't recall how. No, I don't think there will be continuity. But now what I'm going to do is go to AC voltage and see what we can get. Look at that. And I'm cranking it up and down, and you can see as I crank the transformer up and down, the voltage is going up and down. So I have voltage from these wheels to these wheels through the track, yet I have this rolling road piece in between the wheel and the track. Therefore, energy is flowing through the rolling road wheels. Okay? That's the whole exam here, is to test this theory out. Test the methods of wiring and connectivity within the rolling road. Not that I can't wire a train, as I can, but can I make these wheels electrically conductive? And I've taken this piece of wire and wrapped it around a post, and I run it under the wheels. The wheels are on a little bit of a standoff, and they roll perfectly, and they conduct. So I think this test is conclusive. We have a good design. I need to increase the spacer distance between the wheels about 1 millimeter to get a nice push against the rollers. I need to put metal on the other side, and then I would have a test set of rollers to experiment with this. But I'm going to have to do that later, because my mission for the next period of time is to build 4 engines with our motor control board and the power control board, and 1 version or 2 of our DC magnetic fields. Like that. So I'm going to build 4 motors with this setup and have them operate and run, and that's the next thing I'm doing starting today. 4 engines. One will be an Atlantic 300, one will be an Atlantic 302 with smoke, one will be a 287 with smoke, and one will be a 290 with smoke. And they will have the standard chassis platforms, and majority of those will be this with the plastic with the plastic tender that you're familiar with. The 300 will be the old style with the tabs and the metal, and then that's it. Those are the two variations I'm able to put together in the next 4 days. When I'm done with those 4 and they're running, and I can show you how that went, then we'll move on to the K5 with and without smoke. Well, they'll have smoke once with the vintage Flyer smoke, and one never had smoke. I use this engine as that example, where it never had smoke, and we're going to give it smoke so you can see it in full glory. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. That's it. I'm going to get all this stuff off of here and set up for creation of the good engines. You know, I have this engine that has the messed up drive. There's no such thing as Flyer junk, just Flyers that need repaired. This is one, so I'm gonna have to repair this, set it up as best I can. I'm gonna leave this light because I'm not putting smoke on this one right now. I'm just gonna put the motor and the motor control board and have it run, and show that as the example, the low end basic example of next generation S. Okay, that's the story. Morning glory. Breaks over, back to work.